what's up? My name's Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful natural makeup look. This is a great makeup look if you have somewhere to be, that you just need to get it done really quick in under 15 minutes. This is a great video and makeup tutorial for you. I will show you every step I did to get this look. And before you ask, these are my natural lashes. They are just curled with a eyelash curler that you can get from Amazon or Walmart, anywhere else. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. One thing before we do that, please like this video. It helps me out. It lets me know you want to see more makeup content from me, and it helps other people find videos like this. So definitely like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about do-it-yourself beauty, makeup, curly hair, natural hair, all that good stuff. I post a ton of videos about those 3 key topics, so definitely subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting with a freshly washed face, and then I'm going for a very light makeup look because I'm going to be outside pretty much all day. So we want to make sure our makeup is natural. So I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Primer in the color 300. Then I'm going to take some concealer. Today I'll use the NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Praline, medium. Then I'll take my concealer brush from Real Technique and I will blend that in to my skin. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Go Glow Lotion in the color 903. It's a medium. I'm just going to apply that across my entire face. This is going to give you like a very light foundation look. You can either wear this underneath your foundation or you can wear it as your foundation. Or do you need to be doing that right this second? No, you don't. Then I'm taking the Real Techniques foundation brush and I'm just going to blend that all in. You can definitely use your fingers to blend this in. I just don't feel like getting them dirty right now, so that's why I'm doing this. A brush is like kind of a good substitute to your fingers because it doesn't pick up as much foundation as it doesn't take up as much of the product as a sponge will. So yeah. The one thing though, when you're using a brush, you really have to take your time and blend it out because it's very easy for you to get streaks. But I will say this was a really good high quality brush, so I find that it doesn't leave streaks, which is great. Then I will take my Maybelline foundation stick in the color Coconut and I will apply that in all of the places I want to add a little bit more dimension. And I'll go in with my blending brush. This is an e.l.f. blending brush, but I won't use this one today because it's all dirty. I will take this one here and I will blend that in. When you're doing your forehead, you should really kind of actually like brush back towards your hairline. Same for your cheekbone, brush back towards your hairline. Don't brush like this, brush away from your face. That'll create that more angled look. Same for your chin, brush back. And then if you have any product on your neck, brush down. And then take the small side of this brush. This is an e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. It's a little softer than I typically like, but it does its job. And I'm blending that up to my brow area. Alright, and that instantly creates a little bit of dimension. Now what I'll do to fill up my brows, I don't have all my brow stuff with me, but I will take this NYX Stick It Brow Thickening Brow Mascara. And this is in the color Brunette. And I will brush my brows up. Then what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of that NARS concealer as well and just put that underneath my brows just to kind of shape them up a little bit. They need done. So yeah, I'll do that. Then I'll take a flat concealer brush and I will just fill that, like blend that in. And what that does is just help clean up your brow shape, make sure it looks the way that you're hoping for, without doing too much to actually shape them yourselves. So now that that's done, I'm going to take NYX Matte Bronzer in the color Medium. So I'm just going to take my flat brush That's done. I will just add a little bit of powder underneath my eyes. What that'll do is kind of set the makeup where I put it. So because I'll be outside, it's kind of good to do this. You don't want to put too much of this on, otherwise it'll make your makeup look a little too matte, which will make it look not as natural, which will look like you have a lot of makeup on to be outside. So you don't want to do that. So I'm just lightly dabbing this on underneath my eye, a little bit underneath my chin, underneath where I put that. So now that that's done, I will use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 35. It's like a coral, it's called Coral. And I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. So brush in a circle and then brush up. Brush in a circle, brush up, brush in a circle, brush up. Spray my face with some setting spray. All right, so for lips, I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner. I don't even know what color this is. It's like a brown. And I outline the outside of my lips. Then I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF color. It's like a more natural lip liner, similar to what my color lips are. I'm just dragging that on the inside of that other liner. Not of the other liner, of the other, on the areas of my lip that's still available, and kind of blending that with the other liner where they touch. Okay, that's done. And then I'll top my lips off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. All right, I'm gonna blend in that powder that I put on earlier using a angled puff. You can use your makeup sponge if you have that. This works pretty good. All I have to do is do mascara, and today I'll be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara in the color Blue Black is Black. And I always heat up my lash curler if I have time. So today I will heat it up and then I will come back when the mascara is on. All right, this is the final makeup look. It looks super natural, so easy to do. As you can see, it only required a few products, so I definitely highly recommend you trying it out. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It helps other people find videos like this. It lets me know you want more videos like this. And if you like any videos about do-it-yourself beauty, natural hair, curly hair, makeup, I'm your girl. So you should definitely subscribe because I post a ton of videos about all those things, so you don't want to miss another video. So subscribe so you get notified, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's all I got. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.